Hey everybody, welcome back to Susan Diamond Paints. This is day 3 of the Teeny Weeny Cross Stitch Ghost Doing Stuff by Diamond Art Studio UK Limited. This is your spoiler warning, so if you do not want to see how day 3 turns out, go ahead and click off this video and I will see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye. Okay everybody, we are back on our second set of a 10 by 10, including the top border. I don't have that symbol out yet. What I do have is the, what I call the diamond within the diamond symbol, which is that red color. So let me get that poured out. Hopefully not get too many. It's kind of hard when they're that full not to get too many. Okay, so we're going to start here at the top. We're going to do 3. So that's 1, 2, 3. And then we are going to come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This row right here. We are going to skip. No, we're going to hold that right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. So we're going to fill this in. So this is these two right here. Then we're going to come right up here. We're going to do 3. Like this right here, and then we are going to do 2 like this and come down 3, and we're going to do then 1 up here. I'm going to do 4 here because this is where we're going to try to highlight, so I don't get confused about where I am. So we're going to do 4 right here. Okay, so I'm going to highlight. I've done these, and I've done these, and I've done that. Nope. These. Is that right? Yeah, because I got to do 2 underneath it. So let's see here. We have 1, 2. So those 4. And we're going to skip 2 right here where these 4 are. And do, and now I'm off again. How am I off? 2, skip 2. See, I'm off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me move my pattern over. There we go. That's why. And go back to highlight. And 1 was hiding. So I was like, how is it off? It can't be that off. Alright, so we're doing 2 right here. Okay, and then we're going to do this one underneath. It's the same length. It goes all the way across. Just going to go all the way across with it. And scooch that one over. All the way across. Okay, and then we are going to do 2 less on the end. Or this is where we're stopping with that row. And we come all the way this way. And there we go. And there is those reds. I'm going to highlight them. Okay, I'll check mark it. We are going to do the diamond next. That's the orange color. It's right next to this color. So I'll pour these in. Okay. Give me the diamond. See if I can just get what I need out here. Alright, so on the diamonds, I'll put it on highlight. There we go. It's tangling up here. So we're going to do 1 right here, and then 1 right here. And then we're going to do 2 underneath it. So 1 right here, and 1 right here. And we're going to come all the way across, right here. 3. We're going to be 3 shy from the side, so this right here is where we stop. So that's 3 we have to skip. And then we're going to come down a row and we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and skip 3. 1, 2, 3, right there. Okay, I'll shake my drill so I can go flat again. My pen keeps getting twisted up, and when it does that, it crinks, and when it kinks, I don't get any air. There we go. Okay, so we did those. All right, so we have 1 underneath here, and we skip 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you do 1 right there, and then you do 3 right here. So you have 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do 2. I only have 1 left in my tray. 1. So let me get the tray group out here. I just want to dig out of the pot now. Alright, I have 1 right here. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight what I've done so don't get confused. 3 and 4, then 1, 1, 3, 2. I just need to do 1 more, just right here. Right there it goes, but I need to flip it, so we'll flip it, and then it goes right there, and I'll highlight and check that one. So the next symbol is the check mark. I'm going to do it next. Put my top on good. Check mark's got a few, so I'm going to pour those out. Alright, so up here at the top, getting twisted in. I have to let it not do that. There we go. Alright, so we're here on the check mark. So the check mark goes all the way across there on this top row. So I'm going to fill these in right here. 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Okay, and then we do 2. So 1, 2, and then we're skipping 3. And we're going to do 3. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do 1 underneath it. 1 right there, pattern. Okay, so let me go up here at the top and highlight these. So these are done. Okay, and then we have these 3 right here. So we have 1, 2, oops, pick down back up. Come on. Is there a kink? Kink. Shows you right there what happens when you get a kink in it. Let's do the, and you hear it too, the motor changes. Well, I don't know if you might be able to hear, I'm not sure, but I gotta get this. Let me get this straightened out so it doesn't do that. Alright, so kink. No kink. Alright. Let me see where I am, sir. I did those, fill those 3 in. Okay, so I haven't filled in. That's where 3. 3 is right there. And then we have these right here filled in. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. We got 1 right there. And then we have 2. 1, and then I'm going to dig out the pot. One right there, and then 1 right here. So they go right there. Alrighty. highlight these right here. I'll check them off. All right, we're gonna do the 6s next. So go at the top and get some of these. I don't need that many, it's okay. Alrighty, so the 6s, we have 4 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we have 2, 1, 2, and then we have these down here. We have all but one less of the red, so we're going to go all the way across with these. And then we're going to stop right here because this is one less than the red. So we're going to highlight those. Check them off. We're going to do the dash next. Let's put my 6s back in. I'm going to try to get the dash out of the pot because it's only 5, and I'll pour out more than 5 if I pour them out. Get them off the side here on my tray so they'll fall in. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to put this to the side. We're going to get the dashes out the pot. Let's get them out of this side because there's not that many. So the dash is up here at the top. Right here, so 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, right there. Highlight those, check them off. The next symbol is the $sign. That's in the next tray grouping. This one up. Alright, so let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and do the top 10 that I have right here. Let's see if I can just pour a few out. See how many that is. Alright, we're gonna do these 10, the top ones right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Let's see if I can get one to pop over 10. Alright, so the oranges are done. That right there. So I need the $sign. Make sure I have the right one. $sign's white. So let me just fill these in. Not a lot. There we go. That should be enough maybe. Okay, so we have 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then we have 1. I can flip over 2, 3, and then 4 right there. So that's the $sign, or $sign I mean. So I'm gonna highlight those, and that is that square. That's the second 10 by 10. So number 200 have been done. 200 reels have been done now on the day 3. So I'm closing the case up. Alright, so hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Y'all have a good one. Bye.